Students, now we are having one more problem. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. It is question number 1, option number 1. So now we have to find out the roots of this equation. So we have written the equation. Again we will write standard quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Suppose it is equation number 2. Now after that, comparing equation 1 and 2, comparing equation 1 with equation 2. So what we will get here? The coefficient of x square is equal to a here. So a will be 2 like previous question. Next one, b is equal to minus 3 coefficient of x in both the equation. Now see, constant is equal to 5. Again we know the quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So now we will put the value of a, b, c in this formula. So we have already found the value of a, b, c here. So x is equal to minus b means minus, or b is equal to minus 3, or plus minus b square, that means minus 3 square minus 4, a is equal to 2 or c is equal to 5. So we have put all the value here and 2 into a, so 2 into 2 here. So now x is equal to minus will become plus 3 plus minus 3 square is equal to 3 3s are 9, or minus will become plus here. Now 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40 and 2 2s are 4. Now we are having the equation x 3 plus minus 9 minus 40 is equal to minus 31, we will get, or upon 4. So x is equal to 3 plus minus 31 upon 4. So there is no possibility to find out the under root of minus 31. If it will be positive, plus 31, under root plus 31, so we can write 31. But minus 31, it is an imaginary number, because we can find out the root of root of 4 is equal to plus minus 2, but root of minus 4 is equal to, we will write 4 under root minus 1, so 4 is equal to 2, or it is equal to I. So I is imaginary number. So such kind of condition can be created here if we will find out the value of minus 31, under root minus 31. So here we will write roots are not real, or we can say they are imaginary, or at the end you can write roots does not, do not exist. Roots do not exist here, because we can't find out the value of under root minus 31. If you can find out the value of minus 31, so definitely you will get the Nobel Prize. Okay, so such kind of question, or in such kind of situation, you can write roots are not real or roots does not exist. Students, now we will solve question number 2. Question number 2 to second option, kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. So here the condition is given, roots are equal in question number. So you should read out the question twice or thrice. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. So we have to find out the value of k here in which condition? Where two roots are equal. So we know that before solving this question, we must standardize this equation. How we will standardize it? Multiply inside the bracket. So kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Now it is equation 1, or as we know, standard quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is equation number 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2, so we will write comparing equation 1 and equation 2. So what we will get? We will get here a is equal to what? K. A is equal to k. Coefficient of b, coefficient of x is equal to b, or coefficient of x is equal to minus 2k here. So we will write b is equal to minus 2k, and c is equal to 6 here. So we got 3 value a, b, c here, or as we know the formula for finding. But here there is no need to find out the roots of given equation, because condition is that we have to find out the value of k where the roots are equal. So we know the condition. In which condition roots are equal? So I described in previous 2 questions. Second condition was that when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are equal. So in that condition, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, so roots are equal. So put the value b is equal to minus 2k, so minus 2k whole square we will put, minus 4, a is equal to k, or c is equal to again 6 is equal to 0. So now minus 2k whole square, so 2 2s are 4 k square minus 6 4s are 24 k is equal to 0. So in that condition we can find out the value 4k square minus 24k. So we can take common, maximum common 4k. So we will get here k minus 6 is equal to 0. If we are taking 4k common, so here left 1k, or here 4 6 ja 24. If you will multiply 4k inside the bracket, so you will get the previous step of your problem. So now that means we have factorized it into 2 parts. That means 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. So that means k is equal to 0 by 4, or second condition k is equal to 6. So there are 2 possible values of k. So k is equal to 0 by 4 means k is equal to 0, or here k is equal to 6. So there are possibility of 2 values of k for finding the value of 2 equal roots here. So which answer is correct? If we are putting k is equal to 0 here, so k is equal to 0, if you are putting, so 0 will be multiplied here, so 6 is equal to 0. So it is not possible. So this value is not satisfy the equation of the problem. So what is correct answer? So correct answer is k is equal to 6. For k is equal to 6, roots are real as well as equal. So that is the solution of this problem. So you must solve this problem in your fair notebook. Students, now we will solve question number 3 of exercise 4.4. So according to this question, it is given, it is possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meter square. If so, find its length and breadth. So rectangular mango groove, that means rectangular एक आम का बगीचा, रेक्टेंगुलर आम का एक बगीचा है. सो यू नो very well about the rectangle. If its breadth is x, let the breadth of rectangular mango groove is x and the length is given twice its breadth, that means 2 times of its breadth. So length is 2x or breadth is equal to x. So we have assumed here, let the breadth of a rectangular mango groove is equal to x meter, or length of the mango groove is equal to 2x meter. Now the area is given. So area, we know very well about the area of rectangular garden, rectangular mango groove. So area is equal to length into breadth. Area of a rectangle is equal to what? Length into breadth. It is rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is equal to 2x, or into breadth is equal to x. So I am not using here multiplication sign, because you will be confused here, because x or into sign are little same. So area is given 800 meter square. So we will get the equation 800 is equal to 2x square. That means 800 divided by 2. So we will get x square. So 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 400. So 400 is equal to x square. That means x is equal to under root 400. So x is equal to what? 20 plus minus 20. We will get two values because we are taking under root. So value of x is equal to plus 20, or it may be minus 20. But minus 20 is negotiable. We can't accept this value because length and breadth of any rectangle cannot negative. So we must take this value, x is equal to, accepted value is x is equal to 20. So now we will get the breadth. So answer we will write here breadth. Answer is breadth of rectangular mango groove is, we have assumed x, so x is equal to what? 20 meter. Or second one, length of rectangular mango groove. So length of rectangular mango groove is how much? 2x we have assumed, so 2 into 20 is equal to 40 meter. So if you will multiply 40 into 20, so you will get the area 800 meter square. So that is the how to check, that is the way how to check the answer of given question. So it is the solution of this problem. So you may solve this problem soon.